Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your premier destination for expert analysis and in-depth insights on the latest technological innovations. Today, we're thrilled to delve into the world of portable gaming as we put the ZOTAC Zone handheld gaming device under the microscope. This sleek and powerful contender is poised to challenge the reigning champion, the Steam Deck OLED, for the coveted title of Best Handheld Gaming Console. A comprehensive examination of the ZOTAC Zone's capabilities. In this in-depth analysis, we'll explore the ZOTAC Zone's cutting-edge features, performance benchmarks, and gaming capabilities, providing you with a detailed understanding of its strengths and weaknesses. Join us as we embark on this journey, uncovering the intricacies of the ZOTAC Zone and its potential to revolutionize the portable gaming landscape. The ZOTAC Zone's exquisite craftsmanship. The ZOTAC Zone's design and build quality are a testament to the manufacturer's unwavering commitment to excellence. This sleek and compact handheld gaming device boasts a robust aluminum chassis, precision crafted with rounded edges and a contoured grip that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. A visual feast, the OLED display's stunning capabilities. The ZOTAC Zone's OLED display is a visual masterpiece, delivering immersive and vibrant graphics that draw you into the gaming experience. With deep blacks, vivid colors, and a wide color gamut, this stunning display sets a new standard for handheld gaming devices. Intuitive controls and ergonomic design. The carefully placed buttons, joysticks, and triggers provide a responsive and tactile experience, allowing for seamless gameplay and intuitive control. Every aspect of the ZOTAC Zone's design, from its premium materials to its meticulous attention to detail, exudes a sense of quality and craftsmanship that rivals its competitors. The ZOTAC Zone's harmonious hardware symphony. The ZOTAC Zone's sleek and compact design belies the potent processing power and graphics capabilities that lie within. At its core, the device leverages the impressive AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor, expertly paired with the Radeon 780M Integrated Graphics Processing Unit (GPU). This harmonious union of CPU and GPU delivers a formidable performance punch, effortlessly handling the most demanding modern games at high settings. Adequate memory and strategic storage management. The ZOTAC Zone's generous 16GB allocation of LPDDR5X RAM ensures that even the most resource-intensive games can run without compromise, providing a seamless gaming experience. While the 512GB solid-state drive (SSD) storage capacity may necessitate additional storage expansion for users with extensive game libraries, strategic storage management, and expansion options can easily mitigate this consideration. The ZOTAC Zone's battery life performance. Battery life is a critical factor in the handheld gaming experience, and the ZOTAC Zone demonstrates a commendable level of endurance. Under moderate usage conditions, the device can deliver several hours of uninterrupted gameplay on a single charge, providing a satisfying and immersive experience, balancing performance and efficiency. However, as with any handheld gaming device, power consumption is directly tied to the demands of the game being played. More resource-intensive titles will inevitably drain the battery faster, necessitating more frequent recharging. To mitigate this, users can employ strategies such as adjusting screen brightness, disabling unnecessary features, and utilizing power-saving modes to optimize battery life and ensure extended gaming sessions. The ZOTAC Zone's software and feature set. The ZOTAC Zone's operating system of choice is Windows 11, granting users unfettered access to a vast and diverse library of games and applications. This opens up a world of entertainment, creativity, and productivity possibilities, making the ZOTAC Zone an incredibly versatile handheld gaming device. Intuitive interface and seamless navigation. The ZOTAC Zone's interface is thoughtfully designed, featuring dedicated sections for games, apps, and settings. This intuitive layout ensures effortless navigation, allowing users to quickly find and launch their favorite games and applications. Expanding gaming horizons, Steam Deck compatibility, and beyond. In a nod to the gaming community, the ZOTAC Zone proudly supports Steam Deck controllers in games, enabling seamless transitions between platforms. This compatibility opens up new avenues for gaming exploration, as users can effortlessly access and play their Steam libraries on the ZOTAC Zone. The ZOTAC Zone's unique features. The ZOTAC Zone boasts an array of innovative features that set it apart from other handheld gaming devices. One of its most distinctive attributes is the dual radial dials, which offer customizable controls tailored to your gaming preferences. These precision controls enable enhanced gameplay experiences, particularly in titles that demand intricate control schemes. Additional features for immersive gaming and social sharing. The ZOTAC Zone also incorporates a built-in microphone and webcam, empowering users to capture and share their gaming experiences with others. This feature facilitates seamless social interaction, live streaming, and community engagement, further enriching the overall gaming experience. Competitive pricing and value proposition. Priced at $799, the ZOTAC Zone positions itself as a formidable competitor to the Steam Deck OLED. Although slightly more expensive than the base Steam Deck model, the ZOTAC Zone offers a unique combination of innovative features, premium hardware, and enhanced functionality, making it an attractive option for discerning gamers seeking a high-end handheld gaming experience. The ZOTAC Zone's ascendancy in handheld gaming. In conclusion, the ZOTAC Zone emerges as a formidable challenger in the handheld gaming console market, boasting an alluring synergy of form, function, and innovation. Its sleek and compact design, coupled with impressive performance capabilities, renders it an attractive proposition for gamers seeking a premium handheld experience. Weighing the value proposition. While the ZOTAC Zone's price point is marginally higher than the Steam Deck OLED, it presents a compelling alternative for discerning gamers who value its unique features, premium build quality, and exceptional performance. Ultimately, the ZOTAC Zone's distinctive blend of style, substance, and innovation solidifies its position as a top-tier contender in the handheld gaming console market.